Morning, Mom and Sir. I am Juby May Asada, 33 years old. I am second-year college undergraduate. I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. I have an experience as housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. In my first employer, I serve 2 adults. I do cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and gardening. In my second employer, I serve 2 adults and 2 children. I do cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and ironing. If you have a children, sir, mom, I treat them like as my own, and I will treat you as my family too. And I hope you treat me like your family as well. I am a happy person, honest, and hardworking. I will do my duties and responsibilities with love and dedication. That's all, Mom and Sir. Thank you.